Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use your JAE Beauty sponge with some concealer, foundation, and then we're going to do the rest of the face. So I already prepped my skin with 2 different lotions and any type of primer you want to use or any type of oil if your skin is too dry, depending on that. So now that my face is prepped, I want to take my foundation and I'm going to just put a drop or 2 on a brush and just dab the brush onto the skin, just like this, and spread it around. Make sure to cover your nose. And then I'm going to take my JAE Beauty sponge and I'm going to just blend my foundation out with this, because this will give it a more flawless look. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take concealer, and I use 2 different types of concealers, 2 different colors, and just dab the concealer like that. Okay. Take my JAE Beauty sponge. And now I'm going to take my contour stick. Like that, and I'm going to take the other side of my beauty sponge and blend out the contour with this. The other side with my concealer. The product doesn't get soaked up too much, so it's great because when you want to revisit the concealer or the foundation, you can. Perfect. I'm going to take some powder contour. And just go over the contour areas. More like contour and bronzer. Any type of setting powder you guys have or you guys love, you can use. And set my makeup. I just dab it on, I don't need to bake. Like that. Perfect. And to finish it off, I'm going to put highlight. And if you guys like some blush, you can throw on some blush. I just put a little bit. And there's your finished look. Thank you. See you guys next time.